Mr. Policeman, go ahead, take it. Ooh, man, today ain't the day. What's going on, guys? A Red One here, and we're back. We're back today with another moto vlog. Trying to get over here so I can get over there. There we go. So I can get to some lane splitting and stuff and things. Anyways, today, guys, I want to introduce you to the brand new Red One Radio Season 2. So you're probably looking at me like, damn, Red, you got a front mount? Yes, I do. It's official, front mount camera. Still working some little tweaks out, so I apologize if the footage is a little bumpy, a little shaky. My bad. But working on it. Now you guys are probably wondering, what is Red One Radio Season 2? Well, Season 2, I decided to focus on you, the smaller channels, the smaller moto vloggers. Now some YouTubers, not all, some YouTubers always want to brag about their subscriber count or their view count, like that makes them a better individual walking around this earth. Thank you, Manhattan Beach Police Department. Get the fuck out my way. But I want to use my views, my sub counts, whatever. Sub doesn't really matter. But I want to use my channel, guys, to help you smaller vloggers out there who hasn't yet met YouTube's monetization requirements. I want to help you guys out. Now, what do I mean? I want to bring you smaller channels onto my show where I'm going to grill you with questions, but also in hopes that some other viewers out there will notice you, see your channel, subscribe to your channel, watch and enjoy your content. Because, hey, we all know, unless you're out here smashing mirrors or giving your footage to compilations, it's hard to grow on this channel. And especially if you're not really about that life, or you're not really about letting some other channel get paid off of your hard work. Hey, I'm here to try to help you guys out as much as I can. Now this is what I need from you, the small creator and or the small channel, looking to try to get a little footstep, a little stepping stone, you know, to help you progress in your YouTube career and journeys. So this is what I need from you guys. I want you guys to send me an email to this link right here, redonemotovlog@gmail.com. Send me the following items. Inside the message, I want you to tell me who you are, as far as your channel name, where you from, what you ride, you know, introduce yourself. So that way I have a little more information about who you are, stuff and things like that. Also a link directly to your channel or video on your channel, something of that nature. I know as a new YouTuber, it is hard to search for a new channel. It sucks. It's sometimes like you can't find it. It's weird. But yes, an introduction, a link to your channel, and also I want you to make me a 30-second video encapsulating you, your ideas, and your channel. So it could be a compilation of different clips from your channel, things of that nature. That is fine. But I need you to make me a 30-second clip with or without music. And if you use music, I will only accept music from no copyright sounds. That's the only approved, at least with me, approved music source to grab music from. No copyright sounds. And if you do use music, I need you to post a link to the song which you're using, as long as it's from no copyright sounds. Okay, that's it, guys. If you send me a video, it has music, and there's no link showing me where you got or the song that it came from, as far as no copyright sound, I will not contact you back. Okay? If you're gonna use music, no copyright sounds, and a link to that song on No Copyright Sounds channel. That's all I ask, guys. And my hopes is that other viewers will learn about your guys' channels, and you guys can be able to, you know, have some sort of help, man. Some sort of thing to kind of hopefully help push you above that 1,000 subscriber mark, or the 240,000 minutes, or whatever the hell that shit is. I can't remember what it is. Right? I want to use my channel to help you guys. And also, if you know other smaller vloggers and or channels that you think would like this, show them this video, show them the rules, let them know, submit their stuff to me so we can go ahead and get this ball rolling. So, I'm going to kick off Season 2 early March. So you guys have got a month to get your submissions in, get your videos made, get everything typed up and sent over to me so I can start contacting you guys back and all of that information. And once I contact you back, I will let you know what the requirements are to be on the show past the initial submission part, which is mainly you need a Skype account and you need a decent microphone. If you do not have good quality audio for the interview, I'm sorry, I can't accept it, unfortunately, man. Like, we gotta up the professionalism just a little bit. So, decent microphone. Sometimes your in-computer mic will be fine. Sometimes using earbuds, things of that nature with a microphone is fine. But you gotta have good quality audio to be on the show. I'm sorry, it is a requirement. But other than that, guys, Red One Radio, Season 2, all about the smaller vloggers, the smaller creators out there looking for a little bit of help to get up there. Because look, I was there at one point, and I know what it's like, man. It sucks growing a channel. It really is, and it's really hard nowadays because we didn't have a lot of fuckboys out there throwing their fucking footage to compilation channels, getting an easy subscriber or whatever. You know, back then we had to work for that shit, or you had to crash to get a bunch of subscribers. But anyways, guys, that's what Season 2 is all about. Come on, Tesla, damn! All of the information about it will be in that doobly-doo down below, including my email address, what's required, what I need you to send, all of that good stuff. With that being said, guys, I'm Red One, and as always, ride safe and all that other.
She.